Okay, guys. So, isn't this the cutest thing in the world? Just look at her. She's like the cutest cat. Yeah. The next video is gonna be up in about next week. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel.